Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Welcome back. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. As the novel coronavirus disease continues to take its toll on the country, Akwa-Ibom state government has initiated a process of conducting massive tests for suspected cases to effectively combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Governor Udom Emmanuel made a disclosure recently in Uyo, the Akwa-Ibom state capital. Correspondent Ajay Nelson has more.
With about 20 confirmed cases in oil-rich Akwa-Ibom state, the government of Udom Emmanuel appears to be reviving up its machinery to combat the spread of the dreaded COVID-19 disease in the state. Governor Udom Emmanuel, while inspecting a 300-bed isolation center at the General Hospital in Itumbang, confirmed that the state government was having a challenging time confronting the pandemic.
We are testing aggressively than the way we were testing before. Why? Because after a elaborate contact tracing, the next thing is you must test these people. It is even better to test people who are not showing any symptoms so that you can know what to do with them right now, rather than just allowing the thing, unexpectedly, the community transmission would have gone beyond your control.
For those at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, their lives evidently are on the line. No wonder, therefore, that the medical doctors and other health care professionals in the state are clamoring for the Udom Emmanuel-led government to merge words with action by ensuring aggressive testing for COVID-19 around the state. While describing the pandemic as a worsening situation requiring sincere and drastic approach, the state chairman of the Nigerian Medical Association, Nsikak Paul Nyoko, expressed concern over the slow-paced testing in the state.
Testing in Akwa-Ibom has been far in between until just recently when we've had a few more tests. And initially the problem was that they were not having enough test sample kits in the country generally. And so it also affected the state. We're not saying that our people are heavily infested with COVID-19, but we just feel that you cannot have the true picture if you don't test.
In order to guard against an imminent collapse of the state economy, Governor Udom Emmanuel has set up an economic recovery committee charged with finding modalities to stimulate critical sectors of the state economy in order to cushion the effect of the pandemic on the state and the people of Akwa-Ibom. In spite of all this, however, Akwa-Ibomites are already feeling the pains of this current situation.
I work in construction company, so some of us, the company really shut down us. Like me, I'm not working again.
Hunger everywhere, hungry. People are dying here. So even the day before yesterday, I lost my sister, her baby, that it was because of the COVID-19. There is no money. She's pregnant. Wanted to give birth, no money. So no doctor to attend to them. They was looking for money. There was no money.
Inside the Niger Delta,